Okay, so this is my order. I've made some wigs out of it because the people I was supposed to get the hairs for the killing wig. So but I'm doing a review of this one because this is my own. So really the hair texture is everything. You can tell this is super double drawn. So you can see, and Mini was the best to work with, really, because I was really looking to start my hair business and I wanted someone I could trust. When you talk about giving feedback, being online, she's online 24/7. Like, she replies. When you talk about inconveniencing, Mini is the girl to go to. You can inconvenience her and then she would still give you the best. Really, these ones are still in here. Yeah, so this is just about it. And this is the closure. This is a 6x6 closure, as you can see. So I'm trying to make a wig out of it. And these are the other bundles. I have 3 bundles. So that one is the longest, as you can see there. But really, if you need someone to help you with your hair supplies, Mini is your girl. Mini is your girl. You go to Mini and she will do her best to make sure she gives you the best. So this is it. Thank you, Mini. Thank you so much. I'll be coming back for more. Like I promised, we'll be doing more business. So I hope and I pray you still stay there so that you can attend to me. So I'll give you more feedback when I'm done with rigging this, so you see how it looks. I'll definitely send the feedback so you see. So thank you so much, Mini. You're the best. Thank you. So keep growing. Bye.